So today this activity is going to different from other days. As you know that every day we try to involve different ways to build our confidence and to enhance our spoken English. So today also I have brought a kind of different activity. You know that always what we do when I ask you a question while sitting or while standing, you answer. Okay, so it's very easy. It's not a rocket science. But when it comes to speak before people while walking, you must have seen on video and in your real life as well. When they speak something, they walk here and there. So in one day, it cannot happen. We need to practice it. Like, first of all, we have to know how to walk. Because while speaking, sometimes we find difficulties to speak. So here today we are going to practice. I will ask you one question and you have to answer while walking. Suppose I ask you, why are you here? Then you have to say, I am here to do a great thing. That guys. What is that? That is called spoken English. So I'm here to learn spoken English. Yeah, I can learn this spoken English from other areas as well, from other sources like mobile phone like that. But no, I don't have anybody to practice that time and I'm not comfortable. That is why I have come here to this class to learn spoken English. Okay, so walk here and there and answer. Many questions I'll ask you and whatever, just pay attention on my question, what I'm asking, and just feel that you are going to speak, feel that you are going to tell. If you feel, then only you can modulate yourself. Because we don't have to speak in that way where is no rhythm. We have to speak in a rhythmic way, with a modulation. All right. So, it's your microphone. So I'm standing here. You are there. Whichever question you will be asked now by me, you have to walk and answer. First, we'll come here. Very basic question. First of all, how are you doing today?
I'm doing well.
You are doing well. It would be better if you put on that.
I often get happy when I get something, then I mostly happy that day, and if I do something that I don't know and that I do for the first time, then I get very happy that day. And if my parents bring me something, then give something for me, then I am very happy that day. And
okay, that's nice. So when did you cook for the last time?
I think 1 month ago I cooked for the last time because my mother had got disease and he cannot walk as well.
She could not
walk as well
and perform any work.
Work. That is why I have to cook that day, and I
had to cook that day and
help to my mother.
Okay, that's excellent. So now a very interesting question. Why are you doing this activity? You can speak and you can answer while sitting as well on the chair very comfortably. But why to walk this nonsense thing? If you think so, why are you speaking while walking? Could you speak?
Yeah,
nice.
If I speak by walking, then I can improve.
Yes.
I can improve my English and my hesitation is
vanished,
and wherever I go, then I can speak. I can speak behind many
all the time.
people.
Keep walking. Don't stand in one place.
Many people, before many people, and I can gain my knowledge by speaking English before people, many people. Like there are many kind of person, they can ask us question as well. And that time,
Walk. Very nice.
if we don't have
Confidence.
confidence, then
How?
how we can improve our English,
Yeah, how we can speak.
and how we can
Can
speak.
speak. Yeah,
That is why I
that's
think.
excellent. So, have you ever spoken English, or have you ever stood before people and spoke anything?
No, I have not.
Yeah, walk.
No, I have not speak English
Not behind.
before people, but
So, are you fortunate or unfortunate that you have not got a chance to speak and you have never spoken before people?
no.
So, it's unfortunate.
Yeah.
Okay, now just share your feelings. How do you feel when you speak before people? Yeah, how do you feel speaking before people, before audience, on camera? How do you feel?
I'm feeling good, and
Just you are looking down. There is nobody under the floor.
Okay.
So look at camera and look at this level, because people will be sitting at this level, not in this.
okay.
How is your feelings?
I'm feeling very.
Don't look down.
I'm feeling very good because I can speak before people and
Yes.
before camera as well, and I improve my English better and
Better and better and better.
better and better
Better
and
and better.
better. And if I speak, then if I speak more, then I can improve my English.
Actually, a thing happens with me. I get a lot of energy when I speak English, and I get a lot of confidence, where or in other area I don't get. If I speak my native language, if I speak Hindi language, which is our national language, I don't feel comfortable, and I'm not comfortable that time, and I'm not as confident as I am now. But when it comes to English and I speak, I really feel confident. I don't know why, a kind of mindset and a kind of thoughts creates in my mind that Rudra, you are confident and you can speak anything in English. So like that just I feel. So how you feel when you speak English? Because this English strengthens me. Yes, make me strong. I mean. So you?
So
Yes, start. How do you feel when you speak English?
I feel like I speak better than other student, and if I
Huh? I will move forward.
if I speak by more,
If I move forward by speaking,
if I
move
move
forward
forward
by speaking,
by speaking,
Yes.
then I can
walk
I can also teach to
others.
and I can improve my English better.
That's excellent. Whether you improve or not, but you have very, very good mindset that you can teach to others.
Yeah.
Alright. So suppose now I'm your friend. Assume I'm not your teacher, I'm your friend, and you have to tell me something. You have to say to me something. How you behave with your friend, and how do you say? And a casual talk. Casual talk means usually how you behave and how you talk to your friends. Yeah, please take me as a friend of yours and speak with me.
How is your studying going on nowadays?
Yeah, of course, it's a very nice question, but what I can say, I don't know why nowadays I'm pepping around. I mean, not studying well and not focusing on my studying, but I think because of some works, not like wasting.
But you should study now.
Yeah, I know. Yeah, thank you so much for your compliment. I must study, but yeah, I'm trying. But what I can do, I'm not able to focus and concentrate on my studying. Whenever I open book, I start feeling sleepy. So what I can do?
If you have
Okay, actually, first of all, why are you asking this kind of rubbish question? I don't want to study. I'm a girl, and my parents will send me to school up to 10th class. After that, they will not send me to college. So that is why I'm not worried about my college. So, and what about you? Why are you fighting with your sister every day? Whenever I see you, you keep fighting. Why exactly?
Because she is very bad and
And you know, like, don't feel like you are before people. Feel like you are alone and you are behaving like your friend. Like that. I'm not asking you any question. Just behave like that and walk and speak. How I was walking, like that, you also walk. Yeah, why do you? Why do you always keep fighting with your sister?
because all the time
Yes.
he
She.
she is watching
Mobile phone.
mobile phone, and if I ask him to give, then he cry and
She starts crying.
he start crying and beaten by my mother to me, and if my mother beat me, then he get very happy because he is
Okay, when you are beaten by your mother, she gets extremely happy.
yeah.
Wow, that's okay. Awesome. Alright, so what about songs? Are you fond of songs?
No, I'm not fond of song because
Yeah, walk.
I don't know how to pronounce
How to pronounce
song.
Yes. Yeah, how to pronounce, not song, how to pronounce some particular words.
I don't know how to pronounce
Use your gestures, like how to pronounce some particular words.
some particular words.
Okay, excellent. So now I will make you do something. You have to follow me. Right. How now I will do, similarly you have to do. Suppose I'm talking to a friend of mine. Okay, so I need a friend, so you come here.
Pita.
You call a friend of yours. Anybody?
Ovi.
You Ovi, anybody? Ovi, come here. Okay, now she's my friend. Okay, and he is your friend. Now how I will speak with her, you have to speak with him. Alright, be relaxed, be free. Yeah, you have to follow me. How I will speak with her, don't be, are you nervous? Are you nervous?
Yes.
Okay, first of all tell me what is your name?
My name is Arpita Naik.
Okay, just look at camera and speak.
My name is Abhinav. I am
Okay, yeah, please. In which class do you study?
I am studying.
Oh yeah, after me you have to answer. In which class do you study?
I am studying.
Yes, I study.
I am
Just
studying.
look at camera. Look at camera. I study
I am studying
in
three.
3 class. Okay, I think you have too much nervousness. All right. Ask.
In which class do you study? I study in fifth class.
Wow, that's excellent. So you know, I have called you, and now I'm so much happy.
So
I have called you,
I have called you,
and
and
I am so much happy.
I'm so much happy.
See, you are my
You are my
friend.
friend.
Very good friend.
Very good
I
friend.
really
I really
like you.
like you.
I really trust you.
Trust you.
Are you my friend?
Are you my friend?
Are you my friend?
Are you my friend?
Are you?
Are
Or
you?
Are you not?
Are you not?
Actually, you know. Actually, you know. I had given you 50 rupees yesterday.
I had given you 50 rupees that day.
Just tell him, behave like that. So what did you do with that money?
So what did you do that money?
Would you like to return that money now?
Would you like
Yeah, please
to
come
return
here.
that
Please
money?
come here. Would you like to return that money? Because now I really need money. Yeah. Will you return that money now?
Will you return that money now?
I really need money now.
I really need money now.
Okay, so why did you come here? I asked to somebody else, but you came here.
So why did you come here? I called
I called to somebody else.
I called to somebody
Else.
else
And you came here.
and you came here.
I'm so unhappy.
I'm so happy.
I'm so unhappy.
Really, I'm so unhappy.
And you know,
And you know,
when
when
I am unhappy, I start
scolding,
start
start
beating.
beating.
Should I beat you?
Should I beat you?
Should I scold you?
Should I scold you?
Should I threaten you?
Should I
threaten
tell
you? Should I take you along with me? Should I
Should I
take you
take you
along with me?
along with
Yeah,
me?
please look at camera.
Please
Look at camera. We are doing
We are doing
public speaking here.
public speaking here.
Public speaking means
Public speaking, you know.
Public speaking
Public speaking
means
means you know.
Slowly means
Means you know.
speak,
Speak,
stand,
stand,
do,
do,
act
act
before people.
before people.
Many people think
Many people think
it's rocket science,
it records science,
but I can
but I can
prove
now
now it's a
it's a
piece of cake.
piece of cake.
It is a
It is a
piece of cake.
piece of
Piece of cake. That means you understand.
That you means understand.
Very easy.
Very easy.
I think you were thinking something else.
I think
You
I'm
were thinking something else. Okay, anyway.
But anyway,
Ladies and gentlemen,
ladies and gentlemen,
how are you feeling there?
how are you feeling there?
Just while laughing, just just show your emotion. Actually, how are you feeling there? How are you? How are you
How are you
feeling there? Come here
Come here
because
because
we are
we are
literally enjoying here.
enjoying here. See,
I am standing
standing
between them.
between them.
I am standing
Standing
among them.
among them.
I am standing
I'm standing
amongst
amongst
people.
people.
So why are you alone there?
So why are you
Alone there. Why are you
Why are you
listening to me?
listening to me?
Come,
Come,
you all. No, I'm not telling to anybody.
I'm not telling to anybody, but
I'm telling
I'm telling
to nobody.
to nobody.
I'm
only
talking to myself,
talking to myself,
speaking with myself,
speaking with myself,
saying to myself,
saying to
myself,
myself.
this is me
this is me
and only me.
and only me,
Only one
only one
who is born
who is born
in this world,
in this world,
one piece.
one piece,
One piece.
one piece.
This is
This is
me.
me.
Rudra Dharwa, your name.
This is me, Jamuna.
Nag.
Now,
So, thank you guys.
thank you guys.
Thank you.
Thank you,
Ladies and
ladies and
gentlemen.
gentlemen.
Thank you,
Thank you,
dear viewers.
dear viewers.
Thank you,
Thank you,
both of you.
both of you.
Thank you
Thank you
to all of you
to all of you
to watch this,
to watch this,
to be here,
to be here,
to watch till the end,
to watch the
till the end,
till the end,
to listen to us.
to listen to us.
A great
A great
thank you
thank you.
to all of you.
All of you.
All of you. Okay, very nice.